at least ana
madasu ana abiachimi
okay
na minimbo ni amaye ena reasons ya ACD for edema say transformer ni bia say machimi area ho nyina transformer so ba kokran say
there be almost say nipa na wo no wo mu nyini wo ye doso enti eso mo de power ano eden kakra ba say be nipa ni nyina be yam enti wo mu sesa transformers no wo areas
me de yen sesa no
sa
ena wo mo mte wa na te wo meti atonsu bokro
nipa no population ni nyini
me hu obi a wo si fu dan fu yes dan na wie wo bokro eti ehefo na asa aba ho abeka ho a mom the reason we emayen
they was asking nyina asa
da binya na wo ka che me say wo mo si ni pe nyini nti
say man for ebi sisi dan wo areas aye for betna ho ne
awie atonsu mi hu se plot bi da ba bi ye twetwa ni nyina ye le bibia awie eti ya eti wo na na eti wo
ti dan ni bi meka ho kra
dabi ya transformer su ma chi hu nyina
fault be any
me who said transformer na ye bibia and why must we be punished like that
okay
what you say e dey bentia especially so a masa catch you say you twetwa 1 cedi on every liter of fuel enya dey bedum ye light
okay
meter no so a e prepaid ananya sa it just say you trace kana maudada then what is happening na medda sum akoko ade ayanse wani tua sum na uko wuramada wani tua sum o na uko wuramada
na so oda udum light
madam dum light eno just why you hear niam bi na wudi dum light o na we dey wu road do na bubon nkodo
onye wu na
so pathetic
ya bo ani frapra kupe
so pathetic na me nim say what is happening dey bad ya what you say dey bad dey nti na what you dum your light
omuso ye dum siesie
oh come on dum siesie na na ye nimu no iti dabria be dum siesie no
okay
dabitio we had reasons yeah dey na wachi he ya hu say na pylons no yes san na transmitter omu dey specifically dey bad dia what you say dey me meti here na make a choice omu say transformer e bia blast na bia ye dey me area ba kokora nu ha blast eti edie pe bonu nia ye akoko asemo amfa manu antu mebei me hu se nkofo owura mu generator ho
na say ye call off
ni nyina ye extra cost to the facility ya hwe ni anka ho asema eniema ma businesses collapse one of it electricity stable power supply so when nya it distract a whole lot amam for gadgets say amam for nuane ye she freedom say o ti say ansa na manfo abrabo ankasa so say due to sa edie bentia na we can nipa timi we ko ra dem a na ye dum light na me di ko ra dem arenti so minister minia okasama regional minister onye bibi moye most especially to so a oye vibrant or TikTok so nya ade obi ehunu no they should use that ade na owo no na on demand ne mama yen
yeah Hussein but who's a regional minister I can so share MD ECG penny pa nkasa I think so about kromwa mo so mo share o se bibisa me hu no social media and minim first of all so ho ye de
akoko tachamada bojom na moja radio fusani de nyame adom me ho ye pa
all right
edi ka meche awon so
meche
na mabom waso for juma de sonko amoye de bo Ashanti man na machia Poliando meche production team so so nyina
me hu se na wo twa ni mfonyini o Philippo pa
ode mi madam for me bro
ode me kwadro so ana
nti we dey was it hero tikoko so asase so
grandma yankoso
na na nyankwada
ami
na we dey me den check ese e dey free RCS regional minister so ye dey ma Ashanti man nyina akokwa no kre we are say obibie ni honoma oko hawo mu a obepeso obeka anu atumu e was oka o hwe yura John Dramani Mahama aban so ya metimi aka say e dey wunya nyina 100% there but about 90% there about constructive criticism e dey embrace me nka say ni nyina 100% but about 90% there yetimi esa ne ma no Dumsor ya de a me say me tu me betra hanim say enka say o kan ya dum na so na dum na so na dum na so a obeye okay unya okay NDC for ya ankasa you complaining MPP for you complaining ye nyina Ghana for complaining but aya na was say you the coercive agent and I say baby a free aba bedru enne nyame no kure ni Dumsor aba you doom light ni aso ECG edin krata aba bontin aba be kire ye die nti a omudundum kanea no and of course ye mu bi crowd the pressure say do mu din krata na aba de but more expediting nema say na be ya mbo resolve sa issue way fast. Number 1, transformers asema okano. It's true. Last year by this time mekai na sentiment mu hanim say na edundum kanea pa last year by this time
2025
this time epumu ha
okay
ema energy minister ankasa eba sentiment mu hanim say ema ye call mentia if you want ye call eye odiuma homa so na transformer bia wo hwe capacity na utimu say eja kuro ni enyini but na sa transformer dada no na wo so mo sesa no
right.
In fact, energy minister mo gina so within week no mas sano ema last year okay say na mo anka say nyina wa na ye bo ECG abaso na ye bo energy minister abaso say oba sentiment mo anim say no bibia I stabilize it. But you see idea eta koso there then I think say what's up you taking measures near the fix transformers that ni nyina she said the near ka say ye kro bia enyini no atonso okasa asase no ebi ono na onko so kopa asase me atonso matra atonso bokuro wo ka kro benya asase ohonom kro no guso a enyini ekonachi but you see e ban rural electrification asem we Ghana for mesrem ahomrase muntie me Asante ma muntie me say ye pe aban a metimi akaso de light e ba Ghana e ma Ghana ni bia nya han abra na menua Poliando ti sumu a eye NDC aban Ira Rollins. Sometime na mi swa na me ko school e wanyinam so di basic school. Sometime mi swa pa e na mi hu say ye de post akese asisi post e di ba ye nkurase. Ma say ya dum ye light of please I'm coming please.
Ufri asisi abeta na beba time light ba Ghana.
Please boy and also okasa na my din. NDC na de light ba ye. Fa ne say obi ono de light aba. Ama light akọ Poliando kurase. Light akọ me kurase. Me maame bi ote eye adoba wura ote bebi a eye kurase light akọ honom na issues asa ba e wo se hu se nipa na o de light na ba ye no ono na betime hu solution na eden esa prophet na aboama ohaw na mokom ni nyina no eden asipia o kan se me ka abandisi efra ba mu rural electrification me kan 2017 budget statement and economic policy paragraph 463 Poliando nko bi no hwade you increasing from 50% to 83%. That's NDC for you. MPP by 8 years only do mo count 6% pay from 83 no say see you know mo de call 89 and NDC by say the one that come rural electrification account by 90% in here and no MPP dey no person who be make a paragraph I think paragraph 810 of their 2022 budget statement and economic policy. Enti NDC ye ba ye ne hu se how ho ye solve on say one thing na me dem so say e ba no light issue hu se NDC ni bi e kasa hantan mu minister no egusu na wo apili o pa Ghana for ache ndo me hwe ne post bi kana mra ho o pa che so mesrem me ye adwuma wonim se akoso mo powerhouse krampo jatom jatom and me no ka say enra madwo platform mima testament me the test message na kire o ka say engineers wo ho mo ye adwuma no 247 se na be ya no say me kura o pa me chew because me so na me da sumu enti sumu ne de enya Poliando nko enyine da mu bi na justification na aba no me say me betra nim say nka say de bia no ye lament ye find solution ni ende and minim say energy minister yewra eye John Jinapo onim die e ba na energy ni mu a because ono aba be deputy energy minister pen onim niema Ghana hia ntina ohwe yekofa Mary ba Ghana hanim sei tama yero te kokko so Asante mantem hanim sei na nyankwada and the MPP na also say preso Dumsor no send him fidie ni niema in fact nnuane bibia obeye bia no fridge krampo ye den say yenya MPP for ya wa sentimental abeka chi roti kokko so say enye Dumsor bia obi wa opa bia wa akoye timetable enye Dumsor na edum sie you roti kokko so complaining no by ne Ghana for complaining no yenya energy minister opa Ghana for ache say oh how we na wo ho me fix it. Of course me NDC ni but me catch energy minister no so say fix it now or fix no yes no nya ntemayen because me kai a hospital bi me person me body wa hanim say me say known to you incubator and crowd incubator man da MPP mudum light and crowd be fast wu yes how kai sa ne man nyina sa enne so betima sisa o unim say ne so betima sasi dum so ya kokoko so betima sasi nti ya say buy the bot achi no eno aso na de den ye de boba ye catch them before so monya what is right ye buy ni ye hu niema enkoso ye nsusu de a ye so ye nya what is right se na be ye betima aboa na ye nkane ne nyina den agina so yie
right
regional minister
I just want to know say regional minister no mu share there were timelines
asema ye pese ye tia no
please
show the over
masa when it you assume now
regional minister share
ekwisi
MD for no MD no ena okachire no say oba sentiment mo hanim dia too much edundum kan ane bebre
right
ema bobo bronu bi so kura mpa e ho kura ne dia ehu
okay
ema MD no chire say okay e ho no was yesesan we o say ena regional minister ka say o sere no animanimu ya no omonhwe no omunya ma santeman
right
animanimu ya in fact after that no to say regional minister Krekas was first sector minister energy minister energy minister assure say obehwe animanimu ya no o me resolve issue we say na be ya asanteman Dumsor ayekomi enya asanteman nyina Ghana nyina akra Dumsor ayekomi mi re ajamati asanteman tamu eje say enibo ekotiri mu mebo me asanteman tamu ntino asanteman asem na wo se meka say na be asanteman tamu hanim say no yen kan na edundum no KUST for exams so omu exams no enra to just imagine student na or prepare so kwa exams na ya doom light na wonya light odi besu ade ni nyina affect academic performance niema affect ye nyina to doom so the one way or the other ye nyina affect ye but ye hu ni say nya responsible government onu no agya tumo e no pa Ghana for chew say me solve problem no of course on solve problem no so ntempa nya den emayen unlike eja poliando man betra no Dumsor bie ni homo energy minister say Dumsor bie ni hono
for your government I like the posture say we don't get the attacks on the Dumsor me my high extensively in fact ECG PRO kra no onye comfortable how I handle them especially with the Dumsor issue no say fire no ko mo so dodo but at the end of the day me who say bia these food soldiers or the politicians from your side have attacked. See, beyond by attack. But the issue is that problem is still no. And people are waiting. Say that Ben ye do me light. Na metimi aboame because who may be away tre or ye pastries cakes no manoma bebre. And now cold store be so down. They don't even know say and ye bedum no and now ochina ye bedum so they prepare. Se fu okran won no beto agu ni generator mu ana ya obetumi a prepare. We don't have that schedule. Next to it ye nimbre so a sa maintenance ebewie. And that is what Ghanaians are calling for say ye ma communication mu now. We know there's a problem. Yes. No Ghanaian is saying it's a problem in you. Ye nim say problem e gra akosum wasa fansa aye ye nim say problem. So you give us a schedule. But it seems like they say politicians mu suro say unya de schedule bi beto ho say ya. People may say, oh, any Dumsor timetable and now be busy, but it's time we get to know.
Oh, that's true.
Yes, and they do me light, so I prepare.
I totally agree with you. But I want to say, engineers or transformer who ye juma. And then ya ubenya pressure. When they say engineer, we actually say, oh, by 6 p.m. ubenya light. Now our transformer who ye juma na about 6 p.m. no. Na onye wiye ya. On say no so be say been produce aban and kan okra nya den anchiro that's me kan no
layman's
all right when I won say engineer wo transformer ho den ya obe operator be so nema mu ebedum so eno no mum na ye dey ehye na bufu no but of course meaning says there are some instances omode eyiba abontin community be abontin say oh this particular area you be doom light. So by maybe 6 p.m. no, you be so. Of course, me say when here say baby or honor some years mana. I think that they have to do it. Say the baby boy, you know. Also, na make a just say me test honorable John Jenapa about it.
Okay.
She replied.
So can I read?
Yeah, you can read that.
I'll say, my brother, we had a major fire incident at Akosombo, so we had to shut down the whole plant. Our engineers are working to initiate restoration from this night. Sorry.
What I say? I say
Right.
sorry.
Okay.
And this nimpo no. Okay, me say sorry.
Okay, now we are inquiries.
Me inquiries because me didn't know what you do me light.
Right.
But MPP on can sorry. What I because I do so.
Poyando the Obeka.
Poyando. Okay,
Pacho mama kabio. So we are now.
Sorry. Poyando the better sorry.
We are now.
Enti mesre Asante mine. Mesre Ghana for. Mesre ensa dan say yemu. You are John Dramani Mahama ban.
Yeah.
Say ban say obi a osolve Dumsor a. Or the Ameri deal. Or the Ameri power plant. Or the AXA. And near obey a turbo gas, the biggest gas processing factory. And the beba manabe solve Dumsor or no. Or no council will be the power plant bar. You are or Tico so. Nana Yankwada company Dumsor. And before who said debut, and you can see a quarter power plant be by Yanko Fayra Mahama power friends a power plant in Brass sentiment more. Number Boyen. And Yera Mahama. On Oka obey intimacy or can obey. And Panso on last week when the energy minister and Yama ya procure I had better transformers no Juma.
Yeah.
Omoko Biemuma be a gun and Ibia who say Senator, but they made a catcher by and say, Mimi can't be me this in yes, Romo. The earlier the better.
Very, very much important. Paul, now was our reaction.
Unacceptable. Because you asked a very important question, sir. Timelines, and then we share no. What is the outcome? Yeah, pass and Jejuna and this when the catch us end this in a cover light about Ghana has it. Then this in a cassette in the bay. And this in a cassette Bagana had a bayer. Mona light by Obia is on record. Rural electrification. A buzia. Me pacho who is them showing? A buzia. It's me pacho.
It started long time.
Maybe near Miss Rew, and your money be over. Let us be serious about it because millions they too much there. Yeah, what you say? And then electricity, friends, ya real near the adinin no. Ultimate enya light na fan ball na pamon tontom gra. Unya hoto. Dan say tontom rewo na udasumu. Ni nyina be kwa ko ende ya real ho asem. It is a minister Tima Fre MDDA. We are expecting a timeline. Say this period. I'm giving you this period, and I say, within this time frame, no, maybe now yet Tima restore your light. They say I engine to say a jar to go to Montiana and Kodazum. What is our same way with that? And this is Bankwan a jar to baby. Munkwan a mumba a jar to a kosomo na to her na to her. Munkwan. It's unacceptable. And I'm sorry, so what? Minister Apache and Diana Debe. Yeah, this kind of mouth, say, the patch or tray. And so now, no, you're back up.
And you're good pusher.
And I'm saying, poster no now, obedi. Poster no now, the light in Abril. We are marking you on competence and performance. A poster in a day. We are who Brazil and a year, dear Ben, and I saw me light. What I'm looking at in this Abema light at them because I've paid for. Whatever it is, would it 30% increase in by yen try? Who can say yen try 1 city on every letter? No, yen try. So why are you not giving me on my side? Eh?
So, but it's so 4% to be
30%, 36%. Was it 1-4% be? Now, I could and your money be around. Sometimes, we must face the reality. And the ordinary person, yen can't say me be mom. Who got light is what I say 30 pesos, 36 pesos, and where I can't. And now tall light has will be a no, as who be a one be a mount. Now I see Miss Matis 30 pesos. Light no. Anonym. And now who the answer minim the
Hussein boat meters.
Yes.
So almost a son.
Almost is a sound dear.
Medium be dear.
Yeah, you should that's so that problem. No, it's Mr. Minister Shiana on my timelines. The normal talks and Shiano today. Ushian, what's the outcome? And then what I say, oh, by 15th of May, by 1st of May, because I have a video, your current regional minister, he demonstrated on Dumsor. Now say the 2 minutes I won't say. It is happening under your nose. That's how you boo my. Say what permit. Oh, sorry. So what? How many of us in the bench opportunity in that chat? They said they are charge you a sorry at you. Wakacho me wakabi me. Why you told who occurs are held there? So I can say sorry. I would have told you, sir. I will not accept.
But in terms of communication, is it not better than saying Kobe or be shouting SAB among men from Homonco? You see, now make us until growing up.
Growing up, politics. I did back open a mission. They be learn on the job.
Yeah,
and uti eating coffee be no usual so film coffee no uti foot on in Nema. You see, sir, first no communication, post channel first year kasa. In fact, maybe you'll be a non-verbal communication now.
Yeah,
both verbal and non-verbal. About non-verbal one, no. They are only
electricity and now see a car communication.
And you know, mostly say issue be basa near Kamwasama. Opese will be also a leader. One home rassier. Okasa obeka, HBBA. And see, if he say, issue we buy.
Don't you know upon our Obeka home as a matter?
Only one statement. You're John Jinapo. Aka, Abradum Soiba. Ghana for society no kasa asem no eni kwan so kasa asem no wa fa ni bia mo asem bia ni ho but statement bi wo hono ma mo energy minister e kan ye in fact all ba be ye running mate e na na hunting no na ko focus so ye arrogant it bia wo say enye I'm sorry and I say kasa de e na kire so ye na dwuma de a mo nkoso na mo nya de mo ye na. But I think me say most you may be free.
Paul heat now.
Entina make catch my by say. I was say you are John Jinapo. Yes, it's own problem now. No solve it.
All right.
What you say? Enti you go so yes solve it. And I just want
I mean take it.
You not expect me say mature light bill.
Oh, I know.
What you say? My son to petrol. I say good generator say empower me light. Now me try catch them say minister say sorry so I should accept it.
You don't understand.
You expect me say was sorry so I should accept it.
Or say problem as you are custom.
And was engineers.
Now go to engineers light my.
Hey, yes, shouting at custom.
But
you know say
me say thermal plants me let's educate people. What you say? Thermal plants no. Thermal plants no. Akoso monko na ewo. Yeni bi Kumasi 1 no say T1 ewo Kumasi a. Eno so ye no
definitely when you say when akoso
monko say. Me sira wo say. Yeni bi wo ho. Atu abuni ho.
But say bia wo baby like ho.
Omo friend say omo friend say kwa me pacho abuazi na nameka abuazi thermal plant anywhere it is akoso mo eja to ho abuazi thermal plant anywhere
but ana load yi kra na ensun yi it is ba akokra say free mu ase no so asema ba
come on generating powers no ebi work ahoma so he ya
ye rage na po say no say
yes say generation no ha masa mon kan no crunch here me dey who free house no aba me the only thing I'm looking at is say minister share we say no why my timeline say say eja to hadia nyanya ni nyina na eja atom part bi na eja atom ana anya sa ana ade ni nyina na ahye
eja atofa
atofa anti replace so ade ya replace no dey me start ni down aboaze ni Kumasi die wo ho
thank you very much heat no emi say enra idumo de ho no
now dey officer me free fan na ba
antina okay why you cry mo so head on to
me cry dem intention you be say menya like cry to my
at least mumma yen timelines this is a message from Ghanaians my timelines that we're going to use bare 1 month, 2 months, 1 year to do that maintenance, transformers and all the other ones. Now you die because psychologically we are conscious about something. Emma ufias in our cry free hope. Yes. Emma we okay. That's my message for you. Set fatu Jamie who say you're the 1 year and a year. So Ghanaians will be okay. Prepare. Important. Pause my come as mama.
Nyama samo wa ke ye nyina ya asma ma ye. Wa me ba ye omu koye mo transfer ganze. Mo den no so mo ye. De ba asema.
Ai me no ya adwene. Me no ya adwene po. Ma obetumi do o message